With my Crockpot upside down pineapple cake, there is no need to warm up the oven, so let's flip things over and make this delicious cake. For this recipe, you'll need a 7-quart slow cooker, and take a little bit of butter and coat the bottom and up half the sides of the slow cooker. Then for the caramel, we'll combine some butter and brown sugar in a small saucepan, bring it to a simmer and cook for a minute. Right away, pour it into the bottom of the slow cooker, using a spatula to spread it around if needed. Then place your drained slices of canned pineapple into the bottom of the slow cooker over the caramel, and then place maraschino cherries in the center of the pineapples for that classical upside down pineapple cake look. Set the crock aside and let's make the cake batter. In a large bowl, cream together brown sugar, white sugar, and soften butter until light and airy. And then crack in 1 egg at a time, making sure to blend it in after each egg. Scrape down the sides and add in the Greek yogurt or sour cream, blending it in until smooth, and then add in half of your flour mixture, which is flour, baking powder, and salt. Be careful not to overmix at this stage because we'll add all of our pineapple juice from the can of pineapple slices and then the rest of the flour mixture. Blend until smooth without overmixing, and then place large dollops of the cake batter on top of the pineapple slices. Spread it around to smooth out the top, and then place the crock in the slow cooker. Place the lid on the slow cooker, set it for 2 hours on high and then for 1 hour on low. Once ready, take a toothpick, make sure that it comes out clean in the center, and release the sides with a spatula. Place a plate on top of the slow cooker, flip everything together so that the cake falls onto the plate, and big reveal, wow, you've got a beautiful upside down cake made in the slow cooker. Find the full recipe at frenchkisscook.com, click on the icon to subscribe to our channel, and on the video for more recipes.